Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. Good evening. Actually, it's actually good evening, chat. Today is Monday, and we have a lot of news to unpack this week, and I'm ready for this week, chat. Who else is ready? Let me know in the chat if you are here. Give me a yeah. If you're here, let me know. Short na natin to. Antonio Roman, what's up? Good evening to you. Let's see what the market has to offer to us today. As far as today goes, we don't have any news event. But yeah, we'll see how this market goes. Let's see what's gonna happen. Uh, tu- 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 tu. Let's see, guys. Let's see what's gonna happen today. Weird. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mag-open na yung market in about 1 minute, guys. 1 minute market is gonna open. Currently, we're inside this consolidation, inside this 1 hour bullish gap. But the ES, as far as right now, ES and YM is a bit more weaker, I would say. Weak CES at the moment, including itong YM. And right now, this is the only thing holding the Nasdaq on the bullish level at the moment, I would say. So let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see. Good evening, Antonio. Good evening. Eyes too big. Triple top, triple bottom, and use a 1 minute. Damn liquidity. Let's see. Triple bottom at 1 minute. I don't know. Let's see. Market is open. There we go. As you can see, we're pushing to the upside. Now we're dumping. This seems like a... Let's see. ES starting to push. YM starting to push. Let's see, guys. Let's see. All of a sudden, mas stronger itong CES at the opening compared to NQ. Let's just wait and see. So far, ES is more stronger upside. Earlier, it was the weaker asset. We're trading from a 1 hour key level at the moment. Let me just remove this. I'm just gonna stay aware. ES stronger upside. We have not yet touched the NWG. What's up, Mistaken? What's up? Good evening. Good evening sa inyo, guys. Let's crush this market this week. Just consolidation right now. We have not touched the NWG, which is quite weird. Inaantok na ako. It's only 9:30 and yet I'm already sleepy. What more if we are in daylight saving shift? Here you go. We just touched the NWOG. Now we see what's gonna happen here. ES is stronger on the upside, supporting NDOG. Oh no, not today, not this time. Oh my god, I'm lagging, chat. This is not good. This is not good, chat. What a flash on that NWOG. What a good flash on that. What a good flash on this, like 64 points. Wow. What? Wow. Still going. Maybe I could full forward one account in here. I know for. Try ko mag-full port ng isang ibal. Oh, wait. Actually, you know what? No. No, my friend. Hindi lang sila na-convert into PA. Pasado na pala itong mga to. Yep, they're pass. I have only 12 PA right now. What a dump from this level. What a good dump. Naglalag yung trading view. Kinda annoying. Super annoying. Biglang push back up eh, no? Ang lala. See what happens here. Are we just gonna invert this? Is that the manipulation? Let's see. So yung short yung 820 level. Oh, no, short at 820. If I get filled in the next candle, that would be the most ideal. Hindi ako ma-fail dito sa next candle, I won't do it. Yep. It seems like it's just rejecting from this. It has to fail me at this exact very next candle. Nagbabounce lang. We're only bouncing like from this 930 for value gap. Like we just filled that gap on that 930 level and now we're dumping. If I don't get filled in this level, I won't take this. It needs to be on this exact candle. It has 19 seconds left. I don't think it's gonna happen though. Yeah, it's not gonna happen. We rejected from 930 for value gap. Here. We traded all the way up not enough to trade at 820, then just dump from there. I do think na magiging breakaway gap to. If we create a fair value gap here, I think we're gonna create this as a breakaway gap to, in my opinion. If we do create this fair value gap, kung walang fair value gap, then it's not gonna be a breakaway, obviously. But if we do create it, if we do create a fair value gap here, it has to trade below here. Dapat we should see a closure below this candle. If we see a closure below this candle, I think this is gonna become a breakaway. Yep. Let's see. Itong gap na to. Do you see this gap? I think it's gonna become a breakaway ideally. Kaso that mag-close siya dito. Without this closure, I don't think it's gonna happen. Yep. No closure. Still possibility, pero low chance na maging breakaway to. This could act as order block in my opinion. There you go. It's acting as breakaway right now. It's not ideal because we did not close below it. If we close below it, that would be the best in my opinion. Best situation for this to become a breakaway. I think this could possibly go as OB and we continue to run the sell side. Even previous day, 29,600. If we continue to sell off. But yeah, I don't think this is going to become a breakaway. Look how we're not closing below previous candle lows. There you go. We just filled that and we're selling off. Wow, what a sell off from that level. Google yung answer ko, guys. $777. I think, let's see. So siya makitang one more time mag-take out ng high and then sell off. Let's see if this is possible, chat. Basta hindi siya mag-take out ng low before my end. Pag nag-take out, if it takes out low, I'm not interested in the short. I'm willing to re-enter at end of high while taking this high. But yeah, that sucks. Yeah, that sucks. Nag-trade lang siya into this fair value gap and sold off like 50 points. Let me see. Medyo sketchy na to, but I'm willing to take this risk. Entering off Endog. Right, I'm filled. There you go. Just 20 points on that trade, so I am up. I don't know how much this is, but yeah, I'm locking myself. Not gonna be greedy. Just quick in and out. Baby, wait lang, Storm. Nahirapan si Daddy. I'm quick and in and out. Currently trading 12 accounts, so that would be roughly 12 times wait, let me see. That was actually a perfect short right there. Perfect short, chat. This is 12 times 400. I am up 12 times 400. This is 4,800. I'm gonna lock myself away. So this is how you avoid over trading, chat. Manual lockout, and then end of day, 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 and end of day, end of day, end of day. Lock accounts, baby. I'm not allowed to trade anymore on this Apex account. So just one day at a time, chat. One day at a time. Not trying to go crazy, not trying to be greedy. Just taking that basic and be done for the day. So that's the good thing about Trade-Ovate right now. You can easily lock yourself out. So not gonna be trading this anymore. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and trade my other accounts now. Just base it, chat. Just taking that basic, chat. How to inquire 1:1. Send me a DM on Discord. Chat, send me a DM on Discord. W in the chat. W, just very quick and in and out trades for me right there. Just trying to go for basic until I get my payout, you know. Payout day is coming. Just taking this one day at a time and trying not to go crazy, chat. Trying not to go crazy in here. Look at that execution. Bang, and then just take profit, get out, exit, and be done. Bagara boom, bagara boom. I do believe we're gonna trade dito sa opposite side of this endog. I'm just looking to see if I can find something that I would like. So far, 930 FVG is getting respected, which is nice. How can I trade here in the Philippines as Trade-Ovate? You need to buy a prop firm account. FTMO, Apex, they're both great. They have pros and cons. In terms of scaling, I would say Apex and scalping Apex. In terms of overnight holding, which is not allowed with futures, you have to do it on FTMO. So they're both great. It has their own pros and cons. $54 people watching us right now. Can we get a 40 likes, chat? Can we get a 40 likes? Can you guys do that for me? Hit that like, baby. Hit that like. Hit that like, chat. Hit that like button. Send on Discord link. I'm gonna send it over here. Do you trade Asia? No, I don't. Very rare that I would trade Asia. I know in advance if I should trade Asia. If I see the move that I was looking for overnight during PM session, I would trade the Asia provided that I'm awake. Ano eval yung code mo? Any code, it works. Any Apex account. Guys, I think there's a chance that we might hit 10K subs this year. Maybe if I post more content. What do you guys think? 10K subs on my channel? 10K subs. We can see YM is actually rejecting pretty decent right now. In a bigger picture, it's in consolidation, but I do believe we're gonna trade into this. And Doug. I could be wrong. If we're gonna trade higher, I think ES has more potential, not the NQ. I don't think NQ is the leader's upside. It may seem leader right now, but based on the opening move that we had on the ES, I think if we're gonna trade higher, ES has more potential upside than the NQ because we had more willingness when we were opening. We can see that the opening is a bit choppy on NQ while the ES skyrocketed. So if this market is gonna go higher, I would say ES has more upside potential than NQ is. Just chopping right now. Chop chop city. Chop 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 city. Midnight open. No, di pa tayo nag-trade here. Right now, medyo confused ako with what's happening. Not gonna try and force this. Sobrang dami kang DM, grabe. Di ko na ma-replyan. Too many, guys. Just too many DMs I get on a day-to-day basis. Like, I think more than 20 a day. Crazy. It's all the same question every time. Mm. ES dumping again. Kind of weird. Kind of weird to be in this consolidation range we are in. Lag pa. Rhythmic account, end of day ba gamit mo? No, intraday account. Just because sanay ako sa intraday. I have intraday. I have intraday with Apex, not intraday with others. I think Apex lang ang nag-offer ng intraday. Sanay ako sa intraday. I know how it works. I know how to scalp. And lately, the lockout feature on Trade has been helping me a lot. It forces me not to take a trade after having a winning day already. Tulad ng kanina, after just one trade, I'm done, you know? Not trying to push it so hard. I'm thinking, how can I participate if ever this dump? I think we go here at 29,600. I'm thinking, how can I engage in here if it's gonna continue to dump to the downside? Though meron tayong bullish 1 hour right now. Bullish hourly candle that we're respecting. It's gonna determine the bias depending how we close here. Because we have relatively equal high in here as you can see above. We have a bullish 1 hour. For its swing setup, this would be a long. After we took out a liquidity sweep into key level, this is the best time to long on a swing position and target 30K. Medyo conflicting ang mga bias in terms of higher time frame and lower time frame. Mahal ng activation fee ng 85. Legacy node at 85 lang. Well, yeah. Yeah, it's not only, I think it's not prioritized, if that makes sense. I think ang priority products are no activation fee. But yeah, I don't mind paying extra $50, $60 if I get uncapped payouts. I would say the only downside on Legacy is the 30% consistency, but yeah. Paano yung ganun? Nag-execute na madaming account yung nakaposition. It's called trade copier. Trade copier on Trade. What's the difference ng Legacy dun sa normal? I have a full video. It is a 30 minutes video. You can go ahead and watch that. Just waiting right now for 10 o'clock to get hit. So far, just consolidation. Just being patient right now, chat. I think one and done lang din ako sa mga other accounts ko. Just one day at a time, chat. One day at a time. I'm in a mode where I need to stack up balances. I don't think I'm gonna make a lot of payout this month compared to July. July is amazing, but I don't think this month is gonna be the same. Like I said, look at ES right now compared to NQ. ES is more stronger on the upside. I think if we go long, I think I might take a stab on the ES. Not on the NQ. Ilan yung contract size mo sa Apex kanina? Just 1 mini. Nakasal ka? No, I'm not in a position. Just looking at 15 minutes right now because I don't like what's happening at lower time frame. Don't want to overthink it. Not gonna be surprised if yung NQ we sell off another leg lower one more time. But as far as bias wise, I think it's gonna be a long now on ES. The coupled market today. Okay, it's 10. Just consolidation on the side of NQ. Oh. Super strong pa din si ES, guys. ES is still going strong. Ano maganda activation fear? Wala. It depends. If nakakapasa ka in 1 to 2 takes, mas magandang no activation fee. If lagi ka nakakablow ng eval, mas magandang no. If lagi ka nakakablow ng eval, you need to pay for with activation fee. If you pass in 1 take, no activation is better. Laki ng difference between no activation and activation. Yeah, but the thing is, in order for you to get cheaper account with no activation, you need to pass it in 1 try or 2 tries. If you fail 3 times, mas mura ang activation fee with activation fee. So think about it, how you want to approach it. Do you want to go aggressive on evals and blow many accounts, or you want to take it very conservative? Do, 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 do. Talking about funded next features. Decent. I would say, yeah, decent. If you're someone living in the Philippines, they're one of the option. Ganda na Rolex. Ah. Yeah, we obviously have a much higher time frame draw, which is above here. But I don't know. Monday today, I don't think it's gonna happen. We're locking displacement from this level. We're consolidating inside this 1 hour for value gap. We've taken out the liquidity, but lower time frame wise, it's not the best delivery. Look at the 5 minutes right now. You're like, in order to join this, you have to long base off this idea and have this kind of a wide stop, like 100-point stop. It has to be something like this if you really want to engage. So 1 hour. Low volume then. Low volume, low volatility, side A consolidation. ES is more better longs, like I've been saying to you guys. If you're gonna go long, I think ES is the play, not the NQ. Just based on the opening move. Finally move out of consolidation. Thoughts on FOMO? It happens. It's just part of human emotion. You get the fear of missing out when you've anticipated a certain setup that you were not able to catch, you know? Part of life, part of the game. It's what you do with those emotion. FOMO app ng crypto trading. Akala ko FOMO na emotion. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not an advocate of copy trading. Copy trading with other people. I'm not advocate of that. They could be profitable. It's just not. I'm not interested. I'm not willing to put my future with other people hands or opinion. The reason why I'm successful is because I do not care about what other people opinion of me. I do not care what other people opinion of the marketplace. I am an independent thinker, and I think if you're trading, you should aim for that. You should not just rely on someone's opinion. At first, you need someone to guide you, but you eventually have to evolve and develop on your own, right? You have your own understanding how the market works. There's no such thing as free money, if that makes sense. I'm not advocate of copy trading. Some people are indeed maybe profitable with copy trading. Like it feels like passive, but how long can it last? Every other strategy will have their own drawbacks. There are times when it's not gonna work so good. Going short right now on NQ. Good luck. Still doing 15-minute break, base it. Right, coach. Since dapat may sariling edge talaga sa trading. Yeah, the edge in trading is yourself. You as the individual. You know when you can get hurt. You know yourself, basically. I'm not trading because I know I'm gonna wreck, right? I'm not trading here. I have an opinion where it's gonna go, but it's highly likely I'm gonna get hurt. I'm gonna hurt myself. I don't have any trading model in here. ES is trading higher. I want to see it trade above London session high. But I don't have any model here that would make me enter into a position. Right? So it might as well just go up like 9 to 10 points from here and I will not be able to participate. And it's just the reality. Having an opinion does not mean equate to money. But I'm learning as I go through this. Like I'm watching this market pans out, trade higher. I'm thinking, how can I take advantage of this in the future para magamit ko siya sometime in the future, you know? Maybe there's just nothing to see here and it's just that I don't really have anything to do but sit out and stay cash. It could be. Paano ka na-access sa Tradebate? Di ba ban siya sa page? Using prop firm. You're only trading demo with prop firms. That's how. Dami kong kalokohan na strat. Itong 15-minute break lang yung super simple na walang kaisip-isip. Paano ko kumita? 15-minute break higher? Yeah. If you think about the 15-minute range break, right? At some point in any day, the market is gonna break either side and will continue. Right? That's just the logic about 15-minute break. At any point in time, the market is gonna move above or below the 15 minutes. My number one issue with 15 minutes breakout is I don't know how to frame an invalidation. For me, when I'm trading, I always think about where am I wrong in this setup? Right? Some people like to play the breakout and they base off their exit based on the tape, based on the buying and selling that is happening in the book map or footprint. I don't know. Some people like to use that as a level where they can exit discretionarily. But to me, I don't have that. I only trade candlesticks. So if I try and long here, I don't know where would I place my stop. And I don't know where would I place my target. So if I don't have any invalidation, in my trade, I'm likely not going to take it. I need to know where I could admit that I am wrong. And with the 15-minute range high or low break, hindi ko siya ma-identify na ganon. And people are good at trading the momentum. I feel like you have to be a momentum trader in order for you to make this work. I think yun yung kainaan ko when it comes to trading breakouts. I don't know what risk to reward is it good at. Yeah. Just kudos to people who are able to make use of it with other tools they have. Anong pinagkaiba ng legacy? I have a full video on YouTube channel, the difference of two. Do you find Apex easiest to get payout from? Not really. I would say easiest to pass is Apex because they allow multiple contracts. Easiest to pass is Apex. Once you pass, I feel like the easiest to get payout is the 50% consistency end of day account. That's the easiest to get paid. But some find it easier to get paid with no consistency account. The problem is it might take you a while before you pass the account. I find it easy to scale on Apex. I think that's the right answer. I find it easier to get more payout on Apex just because they allow 20 accounts. And with intraday drawdown, you are forced to take those base it and be done for the day. Just like what I did. I tend not to overtrade when I know I have a trailing drawdown. I tend to protect my profits. The way I trade my Apex is very defensive. As you see, if it moves in my favor very quick, 1-to-1, 1:2, I would trail that ASAP. I would try top step. Yep. Hindi ako 1-to-1 lang when I take Apex base it. I trail my position as it goes in my favor. I find 1-to-1 very difficult to manage when you are in a losing streak, just because it's harder to crawl out of drawdown. But typically when you're trading with base it, you need to be trading it when there's volatility. And I find limit orders to be very effective. And base it, typically gusto ko fini-fade yung move. So that's the way I like to play base it, fading the move. We're just grinding higher. Yes, I think we're gonna go 700, 800. Yeah, if you want to trade base it, especially if trading ICT, you want to be buying, you want to be selling when the market is like going into your zone quickly. Let's say this is your fair value gap. You want to be selling this when there's a great volatility momentum into this level. I think that's the way to just play it, if that makes sense. Thus, you want to be using stacking confluence. You want to see 2 to 3 confluence in that level. Oh, man. I think we go to intraday high on ES. Actually, dapat di ako mag-stream today, chat. I'm planning to go to the gym today. I don't know. For some reason, I just felt I should not stream today. I ended up doing anyway. Yeah, I just got here. Yeah, I took one trade already. I'm up decent amount. This is up for 8 across 12 accounts. Still far from payout. Some of them are fresh. I just got them earlier today. Just stocking base it for now. There will be time I can go crazy and start to add to position. And I think that is when I have plenty of drawdown and they're no longer trailing. We have a lot of news this week, chat. This week we have a lot of news. We have PPI, we have CPI. So not trying to go crazy early in the week. Lots of opportunity this week, in my opinion. Ingat sa weather. Yep. Likewise, chat. It's been crazy. It's been raining for like 2 weeks. Kawawa yung mga binabaha. Chat, can we get like 50 likes? Can we get like 50 likes, chat? I would appreciate if you do that. We have like 70 right now. Can we get to 50 likes, chat? 50 likes. Dropping down into this 5 minutes FBG on NQ. Look at ES, chat. It's still going. Pag nagkaroon ng ano to, FBG, ideally maging breakaway gap to kay ES kung magkakaroon tayo ng FBG here. We traded into an order block. I think this is gonna become a breakaway gap. Kapag hindi ito naging breakaway gap, this is gonna warrant more consolidation. It has to trade away from this level and not fill this. If we do get a fill in here, I think ES is bound to consolidate for a longer period. Yep. Look at this. And because we filled this gap, I do believe now we are gonna be bound to trade lower from here. I don't think this is gonna be the per value gap that will send it higher. In my opinion, we're gonna have more consolidation now. We're not supposed to fill that gap. We consolidated too much already in this level. We're supposed to just grind higher from that. Let's see. NQ is dumping right now. Chat, sino naglaro ng Harvest Moon sa inyo? Did you guys play Harvest Moon, Friends of Mineral Town? Oh, that's... Kasi yung nilalaro ko pag wala akong magawa. Harvest Moon, Friends of Mineral Town. This one. Ito. Kung familiar kayo dito, Harvest Moon. Like po ba nagpapataas ng visibility sa algo? Yeah, pag nila-like niyo, when you're liking the stream, my stream gets recommended for other people. So if you just hit the thumbs up, chat, that would be a big help because YouTube push my video to the new audience. Bro, may vid ka na ba nagawa kung anong account type ang maganda sa prop firm? It's actually just depends on how you would wanna approach it. If you don't, two things lang yan eh. Where do you want to stay longer? Is it on eval or funded account? If you want to stay longer on funded account, like you want to just have consistency on funded account, just look for 1 day past evals. If you want no consistency on funded, look for with consistency evals, flex account. There's no right or wrong. It's just up to you. To me, I don't like spending too much time on evals. As for PA account, funded account, I don't mind if I get my payout after 20 days, 30 days. I don't care about that. But I don't like spending too much time on evals. So next trip mo, Boss Ron? It's either Korea or I'm gonna be back on Japan. I'm gonna be in Boracay though this year. I think that would be my last flight this year. Depende. If I had an amazing month, September, I might go Bali or Vietnam. I don't know. Maybe. Just maybe. But confirmed so far is just Boracay. And I don't know yet. We'll see. I also have like a lot of things going on right now. I'm gonna be busy, grinding super hard. I have like one-to-one students, so it's gonna be difficult to do what I used to do. I thought they said Korea is more expensive than Japan, so I don't know. But definitely one more major country next year. It's either gonna be Korea or Japan again. Depends. But so far yung confirm ko is gonna be Boracay. One confirmed so far is Boracay, chat. Gusto kong puntahan Siargao. I wanna see what it's like. Palawan is good as well. I've been in Palawan. Miss it. Ang ayoko lang doon is yung 5-hour ride ng sasakyan. Super hectic ang naka 5-hour na sasakyan from airport. Yeah, started to trade from 5 minutes. Ah. Look at ES. It did trade into this 5-minute gap and started to push higher again. I think we go higher. London session high on ES. Should be the trade on ES. Could take a while, pero yeah, this is the only thing I see right now. Low volume, slow grind. I might take this. If we do get the retracement. Take ko na to. Kahit 1 is 2.3 lang siya. Rest ako ng $250. If I get filled in here. Stop ko below the NWAG. Anong pinakamagandang hotel sa Boracay, chat, na mare-recommend nyo? Ano ang station and hotel na maganda in Boracay na na-experience nyo? For those of you that are Boracay people, gang. What's the best? Surigao is looking fun. Yeah, for sure. Surigao looks good. We're now trading higher. I think without me, it's gonna go. Do you consider business ganyan passive income? I'm planning to get into real estate. Airbnb is what I'm planning. And yes, I do consider. I'm considering it. I'm feeling ko di ako ma-feel dito. Already move like how many points? 5 points. Shangri-La. How much ba cut ng Airbnb per book? Honestly, I don't know. I have no idea. Zero idea. Shangri-La is expensive though. Like super expensive. What I'm looking forward sa Boracay is gonna be jet ski. I'm gonna do jet ski in Boracay. Dang. I did anticipate this ES going higher. I'm just not sure where to enter. And it seems like this is the entry when we take out that liquidity and inside the 5-minute key level. Yeah, it's just... Yeah, I think it's gonna go to London high. Slow grind. As I have anticipated dito, ES is stronger. Bakit ako nag-determine na ES is stronger asset? Observe what happened in the AM. Right? Tingnan mo to gaano kaliit tong candle nito compare dito. ES has more displacement to the upside. Then we had this consolidation. We saw the NQ trading higher. Nag-trade tayo sa NQ higher while the ES is still consolidating. But look how the ES just catch up. Look how deep the retracement on NQ versus ES. Tapos tignan mo yung NQ ngayon. It's low compared to ES. And this SMT in terms of relative strength, na-determine ko na mas malakas ang ES just because of this bullish candle at the 9:30 open. If you think about it, ES also just feeling this inefficiency from here. Kind of crazy. Ito lang yung tanging acceptable na entry for me. Not this. I know we had this, but this is the only acceptable entry in my opinion. Or maybe this inversion. Not really the best. Low volume. I don't like trading low volume. Gonna stay until 11. If I don't see something, I'm gonna call it a day. I'm happy with I got. Bagal. Boring PA today. There we go. ES straight pushing. Lapit na ng ES, oh. What I don't like about the ES trading above here is the fact that we don't have any reference to the left aside from this end dog. Wala tayong fair value gap that I like. But yeah, it's pushing, it's moving. We're so close on the ES. We are so close sa ES high. Dairas. Hindi ako malungkot, guys. I'm not sad. I'm just tired. Pagod ako. Hindi ako malungkot. I'm tired for some reason. I think mas pagod ako kasi di ako napag-gym today. Naka-schedule for maintenance yung kotse. Kaya hindi kompleto ang araw ko today. Di ako nakapag-gym. Then tomorrow, di ako makapag-gym. Si mama ko na hospital pero uwi na siya bukas. So, susunduin ko siya. No gym again to me tomorrow. Pero nag-gym ako kahapon, Sunday. Boring na ng PA. Praying for you, brother. Thank you, thank you. My mom is in great condition. Yeah, all is well. Nothing crazy. Hintay lang ako macro time. Baka sa macro makahanap ako ng setup. $11. Need mo mag-subscribe sa TradingView. If gusto mo ng CME data kung nagpe-paper trade ka, kailangan mo ng TradingView market data. Kung bibili ka ng prop firm account, hindi mo kailangan, pero ang downside nun pag bumili ka ng prop firm account is pag na-blow yung prop firm, mawawalan ka ng access sa market data.
Grabe yung mga baha, no, guys. Grabe yung baha sa ibang lugar. Solid. Solid yung mga news na nakita ko sa GMA. Kawawa yung mga nababahaan. Hindi ko ma-imagine yung perwisyo. Never ko na-experience sa buong buhay ko ang mabaha ng pinasukan ng tubig na sobrang lala. Is the cheapest plan enough? So you have to pay for two, okay? You need to pay for cheapest professional, tapos you will have to pay $8 on top of that, which is yung $7 or $8 ata. Grabe din yung basura. Yeah, I've seen the trash. It's crazy. Sa Manila, I feel like ang basura na issue sa Manila, hindi na yun masosolve forever just because of how undisciplined people are. Manila is like a big squatter place. Grabe yung basura. I feel like it's no longer solvable. Bagkus ang tinuna ng nakaupo na gobyerno doon. I don't know kung may pag-asa pa ba ang Pilipinas, chat? I don't know, chat. You tell me. We're about to take the solid yun sa Parañaque. Ang lala, oh. Ay, hindi niya makita. Pero grabe yung basura. Nakakasuka. Fucking crazy, bro. Nasa tao lang talaga yan, boss. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe if walang corruption, it is possible. But, solid ako yung Bulacan. Grabe, ang dami ko nakikita sa GMA News. Kawawa. Imagine ano, imaginein mo yung pinagpaguran mo yung kotse tas babahain. Huyu sila ngayon sa Marikina. Plus corrupt yeah, no discipline, corrupt government. Yeah, I don't know. It's so sayang ang Pilipinas. Like, we have so many island. I feel like kapag nag-travel kayo with other countries like Thailand, Vietnam, mapapaano ka lang mapapaisip ko na lang na sayang ang Pilipinas. Pag nakita mo yung gaano kaganda ang ibang bansa, mapapaisip ka na sayang ang Pilipinas. Ang ganda ng position natin sa Pacific. Like, we have access so much abundance sa sea. Sayang. Yung Manila Bay, sobrang linis na sana. Ngayon bumalik din yung basura. Yun ba yung nilagyan ng Dolomite Beach ni Duterte? Yun ba yun? Yung Manila Bay ba? Di ko alam kung yun. Kawawa. Parang 2 weeks nang umuulan kasi, no, chat? Parang non-stop ang ulan in the past 2 weeks. OFW ako dati sa Korea. Sobrang layo sa page. Yeah, I wanna go to Korea. Ano, chat? Ang maganda? Korea or Japan? Which one is better? Kawawa ang sitwasyon sa Pinas. You have so many natural resources, including marine life, diverse wildlife, and large mineral deposit kaso binalagbag ng mga greedy sa salapi. North Korea. That's crazy. I call me weird, pero lagi ako nanonood ng North Korea ng mga vlogs and documentaries. Nasa Luzon ako. Pampanga ako, Pampanga. Luckily, hindi kami binabaha. Never ko pa na-experience ang bahain sa loob ng bahay. Look at the ES chat. Kuda woulda shoulda. Ito yung isa sa mga valid setup that I've seen today. Just longing this straight up. Itong level na to. Just longing this at this level. Trail stop siguro. Pero ito yung valid setup na nakita ko today on ES. Based on that move. NQ is still chopping around. If you look at NQ right now. Pag wala pa akong nakitang setup at 11, I'm gonna call it a day. Parang mas okay pa yata sakop na lang tayo ng USA nung sinakop tayo. Parang Guam and Hawaii para mas maunlad ang page siguro ngayon. Ano sa tingin niya, guys? I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe extended territory tayo ng US. The thing is, binigay ng USA ang freedom sa mga Pilipino. Right? After nilang sinakop ang Pilipinas, they eventually gave it back, yung independence ng Philippines. I think mahihirapan ng USA. I think ang biggest challenge ng USA back then was yung resources, just because how far the Philippines is. Wow, look at ES. ES is good today. I would say A setup. Not A+, kasi wala siyang clear manipulation, but I would say A setup ang ES today. Just continuation longs on the ES side. Look at this move to the upside. I've been saying since the start of stream na ES ang magandang ilong today, not NQ. Kuda woulda shoulda, chat. Kuda woulda shoulda. Iniwan nila tayo ng ma-unlight, then we fucked up. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not in that era, so I don't know how unlad we are back then, but yeah. I wonder kailan naging fucked up ang Pilipinas. What year did it start to go down? Ano yung biggest setback na nag-push sa economy ng Pilipinas pababa? Is it during time ni Marcos? I don't know. Not good at politics. Not good at history. I don't know which economy is the best. Walang setup. Baka ano na to, PM session. I start siguro ni Marcos up to now. Yeah, I don't know. Ang pinagtatakaan ko, bakit hindi umunlad? Hindi ko alam kung umunlad ba ang Pilipinas after ng martial law nung umupo si Cory. Kasi yun yung time na nagsama-sama ang mga Pinoy. So, I assume there should be, alam mo yan, there should be continuous growth from there nung umupo si Cory. But I don't know what happened after that. Bakit hindi pa rin tayo sobrang progressive? To trade out na me. Alright. Nice. Nagsimula yan, simula nang nawala sa atin ng kuryente at tubig. Na kanino ba ang kuryente at tubig? Sino ba ang, di ba private corporation? Ang kuryente at tubig, kung di ako nagkakamali. Di rin napunta sa mga friends ng businessman sa mga hawak ng government. Wala dictator na palitan lang uli ng mga crap. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not good at history. In terms of history, may alam ako ano nangyari, but in terms of like what economy does during certain period of time, hindi ko alam kanino yung better. Alam ko na all-time high ang stock market nung si Duterte. Alam mo, all-time high ang PSE, right? Nung panahon ni Duterte. Kaso nung COVID, straight down ang PSE hanggang ngayon. Hindi na nag-recover ang PSEI. Kailan ang all-time high ng market? I think 2018 or 2019 yung Philippine Stock Exchange. Hindi ako nagkakamali. Okay, it is already macro time. Not sure if we get something in here. Let's see. So we did take out the previous intraday high of ES. Wala akong very good directional bias going into this macro time. Still unsure kung ano mangyayari dito. Still very unsure here. We take out this high on the ES. We're now trading below. We have inverted the first for value gap. But I'm still unsure what's gonna happen. Ayokong mag-call ng reversal, but I don't know. We started to displace during macro. Kasi ang daming consolidation. Okay, we're selling off. Ugh, I don't know, chat. I don't know. I'm confused. I feel like we are in this big consolidation that I don't know what's gonna happen. CR lang ako real quick. Papahihi na ako. Skater era days. Yan yung to chat. Skater days 8 years ago. Meron akong GoPro. Ang haba pa ng buhok ko na, no? Crazy. Oh. Man, I don't know what to do here. What do you guys think in this market? Are we gonna continue to dump, or this is just a short-term retracement? Iron skates. What's on Nasdaq now? I'm still confused. I don't like trading with low volatility. We had a good SMT on the ES high. To be quite honest, we have this good SMT above. This was warranted by a displacement. But I don't know. If I know what's gonna happen, I'm gonna execute. But right now, I'm not 100% certain if we will trade to this and dog to the downside.
We did trade based on this 1 hour for value gap, but we still have this bullish 1 hour, right? If you look at this bullish 1 hour, and we also have bearish 1 hour. So to me, the way I see this is, which is which? Alin ba talaga? I don't know. I don't know alin ang marerespect dito, alin ang ma-i-invert. So, when I see this, I'm not 100% sure. Kasi, yes, we rejected here, but if you look at this in 2 hour, parang doji candle lang to eh. Yeah, actually, di pa close yung ano. Let's see. What about 4? Yeah, I don't know. Look at the 4 hour na lang. Look how we are wicking. Wicks, 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 wicks. What if this is just another wicks, right? Tanungin mo ang sarili mo, is this gonna expand sa 4 hour candle? Based on this current action, I don't freaking know if this is gonna expand or not. You can scalp, but it's hard, in my opinion, to get those home runs na sobrang layo. Not 100% certain right now. I think the best play for me is just stay in cash and try not to force it. Nakita niyo na ba yung nano contracts, chat? Have you guys seen the nano contracts? 1/10 of micro, as far as I know. So, kumbaga sense lang siya, in a sense. Naglabas ng nano contracts ang CME. Kinda crazy. We already have micro and they decided we need nano. How long did it take you to get your first pass eval plus payout? I think I would say about a year. Payout and passing an account. Is Apex really good? Yeah, for me it is good. It depends on your goal. Upload ka sa bootcamp. Yeah, I'm trying my best, chat. It's just my main issue is my time. I'm the one filming and editing those videos. I was recently kukuha pa ako ng one-to-one students, so it's gonna be a lot. I know it's gonna be pre-market. Usually 7 o'clock, I am already looking at it slowly. But yeah, usually 7 o'clock, I'm already looking at it slowly, I would say. Nice retracement into this 930 gap or 930 FVG on the ES. Lods, nakita mo na yung nasa IG naka-hold ng 7 minutes around 29 area up to now? Yeah, I've seen that. Not sure if it is a live account, but if it is, then kudos to them. There's just those people that are really, really good, have psychology. I'm not sure if that's live account or demo account. I don't know. But if that was true, then he is a solid trader. There's just those folks na are on the next level. I think he wants to target all-time high. I think ES is gonna run this high one more time. I don't know. I'm just guessing at this point. Half up, half out, man. Yeah, the daily profile is shit. I don't know what's gonna happen. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it today here, chat. Just super weird. We have unsynced market. I think that's the best play I could do right now. Yeah, I'm calling it a day here. It's been just slow day for me. Just 4,800 across. Just one account execution, which is during market volatility. I'm gonna call it a day here, chat. Not gonna be trading on my other account and take this time off. And yeah, it's been just chilled stream for me. I'll talk to you guys again tomorrow. Like I said, if I didn't see something 11 o'clock, I'm gonna call it a day. Just one execution for me. Not trying to go crazy. It's Monday. We are still early in the week and we have a lot of news. So there's gonna be plenty of moves gonna happen over the next couple of days. So do not try to FOMO here. It's just another day, another dollar, another day of being patient. One day at a time, chat. Peace out. See you tomorrow, same time, 9:15 p.m. Bye-bye, chat. Bye-bye.